Welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present the upcoming possible directional moves in gold futures during the week of June 17. So let us have a look at a weekly chart. You must have remembered that I explained the directional move in my last video in a monthly chart of gold. Let us see that I defined this zone as a decisive zone in a monthly chart, and you can see that the gold futures, after touching the level of $1900, they are coming downward. No doubt that the gold futures started their upward journey from the year 2007 and up to the year 2011. They stopped this uptrend voyage, which ended at the level of $1,918 level. Then gold futures moved downward and found a support at $1,500 levels in the year 2011. Since then, witnessing a consolidation at upper levels, but you can observe that at this level we are facing a stiff resistance at the level of $1,762. From these levels, after formation of double top, gold futures have started to come down straight away, and they are still in a downward trend. And I find that after crossing the level of $1,333, gold futures are still facing a lot of stiff resistance at this level. This is the level $1,330. From this level, gold futures have once again started to come down in a monthly chart, and now they are going to enter in a decisive zone. I call this zone as a decisive zone. After that, this zone will be a bearish zone. If we enter from this zone to bearish zone, there is no doubt that we will once again see the levels of the year 2003 up to October 2019. I find that the movement of gold futures is a stationary phase due to the growing geopolitical moves for proving economic dominance all over the world in order to get more and more oil, which makes the economic scenario to go in a recessionary phase, because only a combined effort from all over the world to reduce competitive effort for to boost the world economy will have to take care about the reasons which may bring the world into a recessionary phase once again, as we witnessed during the year 1990. Let us have a look at the same chart in a 4-hour zone. You can see that as the news of interest rate hike spread on June 13, gold futures moved downward with a steep downward move, as this is the downward move which is evident enough for continuation of a downward trend ahead during the upcoming week. Friends, this is the same decisive zone which I have shown you in a daily chart. So now we have entered inside this decisive zone with a steep downward move. Let us have a look. Now you can see that in a daily chart all the moving averages are indicating the continuation of this downward voyage ahead. First, the gold futures have come down after crossing the 200 DMA, and all other moving averages are also moving downward, and the gold futures are trading at this level at $1,274. I find that we can see a gap down opening on the first trading day of the next week on June 17, which will decide the continuation of a downward journey in gold future prices. Let us have a look in the 4-hour chart. I find that this steep downward move was the result of interest rate hike on June 13. This hike will prevail its impact during the upcoming week, because raised interest make it costlier to hold the gold futures in a big quantum. Let us have a look at the movement of gold futures in an hourly chart. Here you can see that 2 trading sessions of the last week, we can see that a lot of selling pressure at the level of 1,310 level. We found a lot of selling pressure was there on gold futures, which resulted in a sharp downward move. And here you can see now we are trading even below the 9 days moving average. All these moving averages crossing 200 days moving average, which indicates the continuation of a downward voyage during the upcoming week. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel for getting updated videos in future. Don't forget to share my videos with your more and more friends. Your little effort will boost my morale to provide you updated videos on regular basis in future.